Hey guys, Ramblin Bob here again. So I have some fantastic news, and I did not see it myself. I had to go check it out. That's why we have the subscriber family, because we got some information from one of the members, and they, like, I'm tongue-tied here. Okay, so when you go to Pecron's website, okay, if you go over here in the support, you can find the manuals, the frequently asked questions. This one is important now. This contact us, warranty registration, how to connect the E1500 to the app, affiliate program, Facebook group communication, and track your package. But this one, guys, this one's got a heck of an upgrade, a huge upgrade, which I think, holy cow, it was about time. Watch when I click this, guys. It'll have the website email, right? It'll have the Amazon team email. But look at this, guys. Are you kidding me? This is brand new. I just seen this, and I was just brought the information yesterday by one of the subscribers. Fantastic. They have a 1-800 number for Pecron. Holy crapzilla. I think that is going to help immensely, because when you try to communicate overseas, you have about a 14-hour window depending on where you are in the world. I'm in the Midwest, so it's about 14-hour difference from when they are. So I have to wait, like hours and hours to get a reply. I have not tried this number yet. I'm almost too surprised to try it, or shocked to try it, because is it really going to work? I don't know, but I hope so, guys. I think this is a move that is very, very good for Pecron, finally, where you can call and hopefully, I hope it's not a recording. I hope it's a real person that we can talk to and say, hey, I have a question. I bought a product and it's doing this or doing that, or I want to buy another product. I have a question. I think that would help immensely for Pecron. Alright, guys, this is probably the shortest video I ever did. Thank you to the subscriber member that brought this to our attention. I'm dumbfounded. I'm on Pecron's website almost every day looking for new stuff, products, information, and stuff. I did not look at this support me page in a while. Alright, ramble on, be safe, and hopefully this helps a lot of people.